Group 6.
Learning objectives. Number 1. Define what is globalization. Number 2. Define what is modern workplace. Number 3. Enumerate the effects of globalization to modern workplace. Number 4. Enumerate the advantages of globalization to modern workplace. Number 5. Enumerate the disadvantages of globalization to modern workplace. And lastly, number 6, identify the 4 key characteristics of modern workplace. Hello guys, my name is Luella Maria R. Balingit and I will discuss the definition of globalization and modern workplace. Globalization is a term used to describe how trade and technology have made the world into a more connected and interdependent place. Modern workplace is a term used to describe businesses who recognize digital collaboration, technology, and tools as the way of the future. Globalization is more than just a buzzword. It's reality for business nowadays. It changed the way that many companies work and how they approach many aspects of their operations. In fact, it's almost necessary to embrace globalization and conduct business internationally if you want your company to be competitive in the global marketplace. As a result of globalization, cross-cultural communication is more prominent than ever before, providing challenges for international communicators who have to reach a variety of different audiences in different locations within their organization. While globalization isn't a new phenomenon, its impact has been more pronounced in recent years. It is disrupting the way that industries all over the world operate, coupled with rapid advance in technology, putting the modern workplace into a constant state of flux, rapidly changing, developing, and becoming increasingly difficult to define.
Hello guys, my name is Gwyneth Lumalan and I will discuss the 4 key characteristics of modern workplace. Number 1. An engaged, capable, and mobile workforce. The modern workplace is no longer happy with being tied to a desk. Today, employees across all industries accept increasing levels of flexibility when it comes to work and when they can be productive. Number 2. Rapid, simple, and effective collaboration. Another vital marker of the workplace is collaboration. To provide exemplary customer service and to work as efficiently as possible, you need to provide your people the ability to communicate anywhere and anytime via multiple channels. Number 3. Data is central, secure, and recoverable. To be a truly modern workplace, business need to put data at the center of business, using it to inform decision and drive client relationship at every turn. Number 4. Employees are productive, reliable, and efficient. One of the main characteristics of a modern workplace is productivity. When enabled by the right process and the technology, employees can work far more accurately, which has significant flow on benefit in terms of the overarching customer experience.
Hello guys, my name is Ivan Jamir E. Parungo and I will discuss you how globalization affect the workplace. The impact of globalization in workplace has yet to be realized, but as more companies embrace this trend and become more diverse, certain changes are emerging. While many of these changes are good, others may not be as positive. Small businesses owners are learning that they have to adapt new policies and new guidelines to keep up with these changes. Increased cultural diversity. As globalization becomes more prevalent, companies deal with increased cultural diversity within workforce. These changes affect small and large businesses by adopting new policies and guidelines for workers. Increasing cultural diversity also produces many benefits as companies gain new insight into different cultures from a management and a marketing standpoint. Earnings changes for workers. As more companies have access to overseas companies that offer outsourcing, wages have changes for many workers with lower standard of living. Third world companies can offer their services at a rate greatly reduced from those in countries with higher standard of living.
Hello everyone, my name is Maria Pauline B. Gomez, and I will discuss the other reason how globalization affects the other workplace. Number 3. Employee diversity training, cultural, religious, and ethnic diversity. In the workplace presents a need for more employee training in order to protect their companies and their new employees for discrimination. Managers have had to implement policies and offer training to existing employees to make sure everyone can accept one another. This has led to a greater appreciation of other cultures and viewpoints in some companies, while irritating some employees who prefer a less culturally diverse work environment. Number 4. Increase workplace standards. Companies in foreign countries, particularly in the third world, have had adapt a more Western standards in terms of providing better workplace safety and increasing workplace condition standards. This directly benefits the employees who may have been previously working in the unsafe or unsanitary conditions.
Hello guys, my name is Enzo Royol and I will discuss the advantages of globalization to business or workplace. Number 1, ability to tap into a wider talent pool. When fully taking advantage of globalization, you are no longer restrained by talent that is available in your city. Today, your global workforce could work from anywhere in the world with an internet connection opening you up to the brightest and best candidates the entire world has to offer. Number 2, new ideas due to cultural diversity. Managing an international workforce includes team working across different locations, people traveling and moving countries for work, having a range of different work ethics, practices, and religious differences. These things can be challenges but overwhelmingly are positive things in workplace as it brings together ideas, insights, and perspective. Number 3, larger markets. Globalization open up new opportunities for business to sell their goods and services to a much larger market, which means more potential sales and greater profits. Number 4, earning changes. For business looking to take advantage of the opportunities offered by globalization, this can include paying lower salaries and having lower overheads when they operate in less developed nations.
Hello guys, my name is Dani Katanga and I will discuss the disadvantage of globalization to business or workplace. Number 1, issue with supply chain. Businesses committed to ethical work practices may find that they cannot always account for this standard being met at every point in their supply chain and operation. For example, there are maybe suppliers, farmers, factory workers, logistics operation who are exploited or work in unsafe conditions. Number 2, corruption. Different standards apply in different countries, and many nations is developing world with corruption.